Google just handed every single person on the internet a video production studio, and I don't think most people have clocked what that actually means yet. No camera, no microphone, no editing software, just a sentence you type out. If you've been putting off making videos for your business because it felt like too much hassle, that excuse is officially gone. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. On July 16th, Google rolled 2 new features into a tool called Google Vids. One is called Gemini Omni, the other is called Personal Avatars. Neither name tells you much on its own, but put together, they let you type out a sentence and get a finished video clip handed back to you. Not a rough cut, not something you still need to touch up. Afterward, an actual finished piece ready to publish. And here's the part worth pointing out. Gemini Omni isn't a brand new idea. Google talked about it months ago at their big developer event earlier this year. What's actually new is that it's live inside a tool regular people and regular businesses can open today, not something announced and then locked away for a year while it quietly disappears from the news cycle. Most AI announcements sit on a shelf for months before you ever actually get your hands on them. This one didn't, and that's exactly why it's worth paying attention to right now instead of waiting. Let's break down what Gemini Omni actually does, because the name alone doesn't explain much on its own. Normally, making a video means sourcing footage, writing something out, and spending hours cutting it together until it looks right, then doing that all over again if something feels off. Gemini Omni skips straight past all of that. You describe the outcome you want, and it builds the clip for you directly, start to finish. But here's the part that I think most people are going to miss. It doesn't only generate brand new footage from a blank page, it can also work with material you already have, a photo, a rough sketch, or a clip you filmed yourself on your phone. So say you record something in bad lighting at home, you don't need to reshoot the whole thing from scratch, you just ask it to fix the lighting and it does. You're not sitting there dragging sliders around on a timeline for an hour trying to guess which setting fixes it. You're basically just talking it through in plain language until it looks right. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now here's the piece I think people are actually going to be talking about: personal avatars. You upload a selfie and a short voice clip, and Google builds a digital version of you that can read out a script on camera, in your voice, with your face, without you ever picking up a camera again. You type the words, your avatar delivers them. It's essentially a version of you that shows up on demand whenever you need it to say something without you needing to be free, on camera, or even awake at the time. Now, if your first thought was, isn't that a little risky? You're not wrong to ask, and it looks like Google actually thought about that before shipping it. Building one of these avatars requires a secure verification step tied to your own Google account, so someone can just build a fake version of you without your permission sitting somewhere behind the scenes. Every clip made this way also carries an invisible watermark from Google DeepMind, so anyone can check whether a video was AI generated in the first place, even if it looks completely real at a glance. At launch, it's English only, users need to be 18 or older, and it's not available yet in the EU, Switzerland, or the UK. So if you're in one of those places, it's coming, just not quite yet, so keep an eye out for when it lands there. Now, this isn't rolling out to absolutely everyone at once either. Gemini Omni and personal avatars are going out to Google's paid AI subscribers, along with certain business customers on Google Workspace. And that's actually a smart move if you think about where it's landing, because Vids already sits inside Workspace, the exact same place millions of businesses already keep their documents, their spreadsheets, and their slides. Google's already said millions of videos have been made in Vids over the past year before any of this even existed. So this isn't some brand new app you need to go find and figure out from scratch. It's getting built directly into a tool people already have open every single day. There's also a control switch built in for businesses using this. Company admins can actually turn the personal avatar feature off entirely for their whole team straight from the admin console if they don't want it active. So nobody's getting forced into using an avatar feature their company hasn't approved, and that's a genuinely sensible way to roll something like this out rather than just flipping it on for everyone. Regardless. Now think about what this actually looks like in practice for a normal business. Onboarding videos for new hires, internal updates, quick explainer clips, walking someone through a process step by step. All of that used to mean booking a room, setting up lighting, doing multiple takes because someone flubbed the line, and then handing it off to someone to sit there and edit it afterward. Now it's someone typing out what they wanted to say and getting a finished clip back in roughly the time it takes to make a coffee. That's not a small time saver sitting on the side of your workflow. That's an entire chunk of work quietly disappearing from the process altogether, freeing up hours that used to go towards something that now takes minutes. Here's why I think this matters more than the headline suggests. It's not really about Google specifically, it's about what's happening to video as a whole from here on out. A year ago, if you wanted a video made, you needed either a full setup yourself or you needed to pay someone who already had one. Now you basically need one clear sentence describing what you want. Think about how many people avoid making videos entirely because they hate being on camera, or their lighting looks bad, or they've never touched editing software in their life. Every one of those excuses just got noticeably weaker overnight. And this isn't just a Google thing either. This is happening across pretty much every AI company right now, all of them racing toward the same idea from slightly different angles. Tools that used to need a whole team standing behind them are shrinking down to needing one clear instruction from a single person sitting at a laptop. The people who actually go try this stuff out early are consistently the ones who end up ahead a few months later, while everyone else is still sitting there saying they'll get around to learning it, eventually, once things settle down. This kind of tool is only going to get better and more available from here, not less. And the people testing it out right now are the ones who already know exactly what to do with it once everybody else finally catches up and starts asking how it works. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.